All right, before you can get alerts on Splunk, you need to actually add the monitoring of the folder where the logs are. So just go here, and then in here, wherever the logs are, here, add it like that. Select, okay. All right, and you just click review. There we go. So now it's actually monitoring that folder. All right, so this is a demonstration of an attack on an FTP server. We're going to be using Hydra, and we're going to be targeting an FTP server on a Windows 7, and Windows 7 has Splunk to sort of like detect the intrusion. So here goes. We're going to do the Hydra attack first. As you can see on the desktop, we have a login file and a text file that we're going to use with this command, which is Hydra. The login is this path, the password is this path, and we're going to attempt to do it on this IP. So here goes. So the attack was successful. So I'm going to go across to the logs here, and you should be able to see very bottom a whole bunch of username and password attempts. So that's it in the logs. Now let's see if Splunk noticed it. So we're going to go dot. So that's actually the IP address of the Kali machine, and it's doing a password attempt. So I'm going to search for that. And as you can see, Splunk has detected a whole bunch of intrusion attempts. So yeah, that's our demonstration.
If you click on the activity and then click trigger alerts, you'll see that there is no alerts set yet. So even if you click reload, nothing will load. And we're going to set up some alerts. So to set up a alert, click on the search and reporting on the side, and search in paths, and press search. And then click on save as in the top, and then you can click on alert. Yeah. So we're setting an alert that's going to be called brute force on FTP site, asking it to do some analysis and incident response. The expiry for that is 24 hours, and it's set to shared in app and in real time, set to 24 hours. Then we've changed it from per result to number of results. And it's going to be greater than 5, and in 1 minute alerts. And then we've also added a triggered alert, so that way that you can trigger our alerts on a high setting.
All right, so now we're going to demonstrate the attack and to see if the alert works. So we're using the same command as before to launch an attack on the FTP server. Here we go. Get it. So once you've done that, just make sure that you get the right severity, and we set it to high, so this should do it. And if we reveal it, there we are, there's our attacks. So yeah, Splunk has recognized it. All right, so today's demonstration is on how to protect against a denial of service attack. We have a Kali machine, and this is our SIEM machine that has forwarding from our other Splunk. So we need to protect it because a threat actor or an attacker would try to disable this SIEM machine with your Splunk on it, because that's where you're collecting all your logs and you're getting all the alerts and stuff. So you want to protect it from denial of service attacks. This is a demonstration of a denial of service attack, which is using HPing3. So it's going to send that, and we should be able to see it, and we're going to create a rule to protect against it. So let that run for about 12 seconds. And yeah, then that should be in your Splunk.
In your Splunk, you'll go onto your search, click on the Splunk Enterprise, and then you'll click on search and reporting. In there, you'll create a new alert. So you'll type in there 21 and in capitals, inbound, and press search. And then you'll click save as, and you'll click on the alert. This title will be DOS in SIEM at 10.1.1.12. Description is, oh my god, so many packets. Then we're going to click on share in app and click on the real time, make sure that it expires within 24 hours. And scrolling down, you'll change the trigger alerts to be number of results and make sure that it is greater than 55 in every 1 minute. For once, the trigger will be once, and make sure that you click the throttle tick there, and then the triggering for 60 seconds. And the action that we'll add will make sure that that is set for high. Oh, sorry, add the trigger, yep, and set for high. And then we'll click save.
All right, so I'm going to demonstrate the alert. And high we set it to, so hopefully it shows up. There we go. DOS on SIME. So the rule is working.